Gonna try and wait until we've got one that's more center screen. That way we don't have to, because they're coming up hard to see until we're right on top of them, basically.
Can you give me a couple meters? I was just getting yanked when I pushed out. Yeah, give me a few. I'm going down. I'm like at 5183 now. There's a little branching something. Thanks.
Got a stalk here.
Anyone want to see this, or we've seen a bunch of these?
If it's easy, but if not, yeah, we can just keep going.
Okay. Hesitate and die. Got to tell me quick.
Yeah, it wasn't a super high priority, so that's okay. We'll get the next one.
What are all the small rocks on the bottom? Those are manganese nodules.
Yep.
So what we're looking at here is this abyssal plain, checking out all the megafauna, the substrate
Okay, center
type,
frame, it's
environmental
shifting
conditions,
left.
seeing what grows on these nodules, and we're finding quite a lot of,
It's too late, sorry.
quite a bit of life that depend on the nodules to attach to and grow.
Center frame.
Where is it? This?
It's about 2/3 of the way down. Just about to the bottom of the frame.
This one?
Yeah, I see it.
I can't see your screen, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're right, it's right in front of us, so if we pan down, I can zoom in on it.
Okay, go for zoom.
All right. I see it.
Yep.
Wow.
I think that's more of a sponge than a xeno, but I'm also not really sure. Okay.
All right.
Yep.
I'm good.
Thanks.
Good. Coming wide.
All right. You guys will have to excuse me for a moment. I have another live interaction.
No worries. Thank you.
Well, back-to-back, two back-to-back ones.
Okay, Raj.
So I'm seeing quite a few of those, whatever they are. Like there's another one off to the right side of the screen, about to go off the corner.
All right, it's been noted. It's a big holothurian or something. Oh, is this
What do we
another
have here?
chunk?
Want to look at this?
Yeah. Sponge or pumice? Or schmutz?
Okay, Aaron.
Zooming in.
I don't know.
Oh,
Huh.
Did Adam step out?
I'm back.
he just got back, yeah.
That certainly looks spongy, right? Like it's got all that.
Yeah. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, I'm feeling more sponge on this, maybe even on the last one too, but
Pumping down.
Good?
yeah.
I'm good.
Huh. I think that's sponge. Oh, did you guys see a mushroom?
No.
Oh.
We saw a flat disc-like, possibly dead sponge.
Oh.
Do you want to see?
Oh, cool. Interesting.
We're not totally sure what that is.
Huh.
But Aaron has been spotting them quite frequently.
We got really fortunate with the weather here for the second leg of this expedition. Pretty exciting that we can be down here at over 5,000 meters.
Got a little spicy yesterday afternoon.
I know, which is why, like, the fact that it turned in this direction is great. I mean, it's kind of spiciest during our transit. Well, just a quick announcement. I won the humblest man in my chair competition. In my chair. It was close. Almost didn't vote for myself. Where'd Aaron go?
I think I
he's
would have
front row.
I would have voted for Ant as humblest man, but the only thing that would have made me dock him a point is the fact that he told me to look it up.
That's very funny.
Anybody who enters the contest doesn't deserve it.
I guess you have to be nominated, right?
Oh, okay.
Oh, you probably don't enter. Yeah,
Blind
that would be
nominations.
antithetical to the...
Yeah.
Like the MacArthur grant.
Brown lump to the right.
Brown lump to the
Brown
right.
lump, any interest?
Well, let's lump it.
Forgot
Why
about
not?
that dance.
It's going to have to be quick. I probably created a dust cloud.
It's
No
fine.
worries.
Setting down a little hard there.
All right.
I'm going dead sponge.
Yeah.
Bumping down.
A little bryozoan
Bump.
next to it. Nice.
Okay, coming wide.
Okay. Yeah, we're still in that kind of different sizes of nodules here zone.
Yeah. Is it crinoid? Crinoid.
Ooh, I'd like to see an umbellula. See pen. So we need to be in sediment.
Johan, when are we going to hit 52? Are we going down now to waypoint 4? Is this all downhill? Or is it later
Let's
in the
see.
dive?
Yeah, waypoint 4 is the lowest point that we have logged. I think it's the lowest point of the dive.
Are there any deeper dives that we're going to do?
The next one will be about this depth.
Are we going back to the lander sites
Yeah, exactly.
nearby there?
Yeah,
Or we're not going to actually visit them, are we?
No, no.
Okay.
There isn't really a point. They don't have any kind of mechanical parts of them, you know, like could check if the float released or something like that, but I know you'd prefer not to get close to things with dangly strings on them.
That ball would shine out like a ringer on the sonar, but no thanks. We stay away
Yeah.
just as well.
You guys do any work with moorings on the ONC site?
When
Yep.
we're out with them, yeah, we do more
Moorings
work.
on all kinds of things.
Yeah.
And
With
running crane wires down to 3.5, 4,000 meters, things like that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
There's a cool operation for the OOI
Those
array
things are
where they
so
have
hard.
to take a crawler off a mooring and turn that around. That's pretty
Yeah.
cool.
There's that one platform that's 200 meters down that has
Yeah.
the two rings. You've got to get in and out
Yeah.
to service that.
Yeah. We recovered a Sikorsky helicopter from just over 5,000 meters
Whoa.
and followed that all the way up.
Wow.
How do you float it? You
Gets interesting.
Come on, octopus. Hey Ed, I'm kind of liking the bottom cam from this dive. Can we save that?
Yeah, down cam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the resolution for the down cam?
720 by 486 at 2997 interlaced.
Okay.
Does that answer your question? SD, standard definition?
Yeah.
SD,
Yeah.
It's 720, really? Or it's up converted to 720?
I think it's 720 by 486 native, and we're up converting it to 1920 by 1080 just to be homogeneous on the signals. But and our router doesn't support standard definition. It'll take, 8K 2110, but not composite analog.
Whoa.
Really? Wow. Oh my God.
Wow.
How far offshore is that? Oh my God.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
So one of the viewers asked, why does this area have the nodules versus other areas of the abyssal plain that look like expanses of mud? That's a great question. I don't
Yeah.
know that I have a ready answer for that. Certainly age matters, like younger seafloor, because these nodules take so long to grow, younger seafloor would have less of them, but I think it also has to do with the ocean chemistry. And it's interesting, a moment ago Ant mentioned that Cook Islands is kind of the mirror of Hawaii around the equator, and it does seem that there are bands that are at, you know, whatever it is, kind of 5 to 15 or 10 to 20 degrees north and south, where you get the highest concentration of these seafloor nodule deposits. I guess what would, well, that would be kind of slightly different than, I guess, large-scale ocean circulation at the equator. You get a lot of kind of
Who's that off to the
upflow.
right, far right?
Yeah, that looks like a holothurian, I think.
Okay,
Here you're in the kind of arms of the major gyres in the ocean. But stick around, because I will get some info on that and report back. Another viewer in all caps is yelling at us, "Hi, Todd."
Not identifying themselves?
No, that's anonymous.
Hi, whoever you are.
We'll just say hi, Todd's mom. That's probably the list of people I know who type in all caps is pretty small. Is this the first time this area has ever been observed, someone asked, and that is a great question. Yes, it is, but it also kind of depends on what you mean observed. This area has been bathymetrically mapped, so we know what the shape of the seafloor is, but of course that doesn't tell you what's on the seafloor. So this is the first time we've had a deep diving vehicle with a camera or imaging system able to look at the seafloor, which is really exciting, because sometimes you can make correlations between what the seafloor looks like in terms of its shape and its backscatter that you can see from the sea surface with the habitat type and the organisms that might be there. So it's exciting. Oh, and someone helping out on why there's nodules here, and of course I did forget, sedimentation rate is super important. You need a low rate of sediment accumulation, otherwise you are just going to bury the nodules as they're forming and never get this kind of collection of large nodules. And oxygen, of course, is key. So you need sufficient oxygen to oxidize the metals, and so deep, low sedimentation and sufficient oxygen. And that condition is not met everywhere in the abyssal plain. Oh. Ooh, what do we got here floating in front of us?
Oh.
Whoa.
Holothurian.
Is it?
Sure is.
Free floater.
Floating around.
Okay, Aaron. Shall we secure lasers?
Oh, giving us a show. Nice.
Sorry. If I can hang with him, or her, or it, or they. Here's a question. Do holothurians have genders?
They can switch genders.
They can?
Yep.
Wow.
And they release gametes to reproduce into the water.
All right, I flubbed that up. Sorry, guys.
No
It's okay.
worries. So we have a viewer from Arizona who is watching with their mama, and the mama doesn't believe this is live footage, so would you mind proving it by answering what your favorite creature is?
Oh.
So my favorite creature changes on a day-to-day and even hour-to-hour basis, but right now are the very large sea cucumbers that we've seen that sometimes are colloquially called gummy squirrel, but they're about half a meter, so foot or more in length, and as big around as, I don't know how big around, what's an equivalent item? We'll say small trash can sized holothurians. And yes, we're live.
Cat size, they're cat size.
Cat size.
My favorite creatures are my 3 kids.
Oh. Which one's your most favorite?
I'm not getting into that just in case. Yeah.
How about deep sea creature though? Is it that ctenophore?
Oh, yeah, that's got to be up there.
Yeah.
That the one we recorded in the CCZ with other Dave.
Yep.
Yeah, that's got to be up there.
So someone asked, does the ship have to use its bow thruster to keep in line with the ROVs, or does the cable run out like an anchor line would? And the answer to that is that
Both?
we have
Both,
both,
yeah.
exactly. We tend to want to make way in a certain direction, and so the bow thruster will get used to kind of keep us on that path and keep the ship oriented properly within the kind of orientation of the wind, the current, and the waves. But the line does kind of hang off like a anchor line.
Just a couple meters.
Gets pushed by currents, and but we try and overcome that by dragging it in a certain direction.
That was one of the things that the ROV team tested earlier today was, you know, how long from when they moved the ship do we actually feel it down 5 kilometers below the surface? And it was, what, a little over 10 minutes, you said, Todd?
Initially, yeah, it took longer to really get to a steady state, but we first felt it responding about 10 minutes later.
Yeah, so there's a bit of drag behind the ship. What do we? There's a term for that you guys have used.
Layback?
Layback. That's right.
Probably.
Yeah, imagine dangling a yo-yo from the top of the Empire State Building with something skinnier than a yo-yo string. That's about the scale.
Wow.
That's a good analogy.
Yeah, that's a really good analogy. I'm going to use that.
I'm going to use it in just every opportunity, even when we're not talking about ROVs.
So what's your favorite
How are
ice
you
cream?
feeling
Just
today?
going to use it when I go to the
It's
pub.
like a yo-yo hanging off the Empire State
Yeah.
Building.
2
Yeah,
pints again.
imagine,
Did
you
you know?
You got crosswind and you got traffic on the sidewalk, and right, like there's all these factors that kind of are parallel to what we
Yeah.
experience here.
And your crosswinds are at all different directions through the water
Yeah.
column.
How come you didn't
Different
get that
temperatures,
report in on
haloclines,
time?
thermoclines, everything else that's
Imagine.
changing your data.
Yeah, really, it's more complicated than that analogy, huh?
And the guy holding the string starts walking off in a different direction.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Want to say hello to Jack Baker, who's a chief engineer at a television station in Eugene, Oregon, who's been watching us and has us on in the office all the time.
Yeah,
Big
go
fan
Ducks.
of OT.
Hey, Jeff.
Yeah,
I'll
go
let you
Ducks.
catch up with me a little bit.
Someone online asked, can we explain what those little yellow cubes that we sent overboard not long ago are, and were they recovered? And this is someone from Sacramento, California. So those yellow cubes were kind of landers for long-term observation
Yeah,
of
can you zoom in?
the deep sea environment. So they
Come in.
had on them sensors that would measure temperature, conductivity. They had sensors that measure current. Oh, that's that little sponge. We've seen that once before. I wouldn't mind getting even closer. Maybe it's not a sponge. Oh. Huh.
Well,
Could be, is this it's not
The
the
barnacle?
mollusk that they saw earlier.
That is not going to clear. I've got a nice little cloud
Okay.
that's just
Yeah,
hanging
don't
there.
worry. That's fine. All right. Whether they've been recovered, the answer is no. Those are going to stay out there for a matter of months, maybe up to a year, collecting data continuously, because as we kind of go along and make these observations, we're looking at a snapshot in time. These conditions certainly can change, although in this part of the ocean, the deepest part of the ocean, they change very slowly, or they're presumed to change very slowly, but making those measurements and observations through tidal cycles, through seasons, is really important. Oh. So our friend in Arizona, their mama said her favorite creature was sea lilies
yeah, we've seen a lot of those.
because they can walk when threatened. But she also asked, what is the biggest sea creature you've found, either by size or by collective mass?
Probably one of those sponges.
Yeah, on this expedition, yes, some of the biggest things we found are sponges.
There was that one stalked sponge yesterday that was, what, about 3 meters tall?
Yep.
Yeah.
But something we've probably seen and maybe not noticed are the siphonophores we pass in the upper ocean, which can be extremely long. They're collections of small organisms that live communally, but they can be, you know, like hundreds and hundreds of meters in length.
Bless you.
Oh, sounded like a dog.
Oh, this is a good question for the front row. Do you still have to go through the end of cruise process of washing the cable? This person remembers conversations about, quote unquote, the bucket and such on past dives on Okeanos Explorer.
Oh, it's so much slicker. They did it the other day.
We do rinse the cable on the way in on the last dive, and the deepest dive and on the last dive. They set up a really nice rig on this vessel. There's a little nozzle up on the A-frame just above the overboard ship, and it spritzes the cable as it comes in.
Spritzes.
It's
That's a term I normally associate with wine.
Sprinkles. There's a nice little jet.
Yeah.
Jet
I
of water
associate
that
it more with
sprays
Aperol.
the cable.
Wine
How about that?
spritzer.
That's a
Pressure
better
washes.
verb. We did grease the cable. We tend to
Yeah.
grease it annually, and so the deck boss, TJ, did set up a greasing operation just the other day. So we greased it all the way from, what were we at, 5,100 meters all the way up to the surface.
Crinoid, holothurian.
Is that another one of those black coral there off to the left?
Off to the left, on my way.
Abyssopathes.
I think you're right, unless it's a sponge. I think you're right.
Whack the lasers on.
Lisa said, look at y'all go with your fancy spritzer.
Nice emoji.
Okay, Aaron. It's a little ways out, but that's all right.
Oh, I want to see what's inside.
I bet it's a benthic crustacean.
It's
Come
the
back.
same one.
Have we just gone in a big circle?
Johan,
Nice.
they're criticizing your
Nice.
navigational skills. They think we're going in circles.
We are going in a very straight line.
I think you
We are going in
I would love to go in a
biggest circle.
Yeah.
The great circle, in fact.
Speaking about Earth,
I guess that depends
makes
who
me
you
think
talk
about the
to.
sun.
Lovely.
Hmm.
Half it.
Can you
Half
give me
it.
a couple meters? I'm feeling like
Still-
that's not me. I think I'm
It's-
holding steadier than that.
No.
Look at
Is it
that,
not- is it
hanging
me?
on. You know that where it's sitting
You're straight up. It's
is
perfect.
the coral's been denuded from the skeleton.
It was like that on the
All right.
previous one too,
Really?
I noticed. Mm-hmm.
I wonder if it's
Is it
not
feeding
an
on the coral?
associate, but a
Predator or
parasite.
parasite?
Predator.
Yeah. You've got loads of cable there, like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all right. I believe you. I'm just trying to blame my clumsy piloting on something else, I guess.
I nominate you for humblest man.
You do have a current down there which could be tugging on it some as well.
Yeah.
Just went by another pretty good group of those disc-shaped brown mushroom things.
Interesting.
There's another one.
Guys, when I get home, I'm going to inoculate some mushroom logs.
Oh, cool.
I'm really excited about it.
Yeah, those are really cool.
That's so fun.
I used to have a mushroom bucket.
Mushroom bucket. Is that just like, was it like sawdust inoculated with?
Because, like, the logs, you have to put them outside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, with the little plugs.
Yeah.
Yeah. The buckets, there's just holes in 5-gallon bucket, and then you can stick the little inoculation in the bucket, and you can have it in your apartment,
Oh.
kind of a dark place, and then oyster mushrooms or other things grow out of it.
Adam, what kind of mushrooms would you grow in Cape Cod? What would work?
My neighbor has shiitake, and they work well in oak, which we have plentiful amounts of.
Nice.
So that's what I'm going to try first. I think it's the most foolproof of the ones to do, and it like takes like a full year before you get any. But then after like every rain, they just spring out of the logs, which
Wow.
is pretty awesome.
This is outdoors, right?
Outdoors,
Like
yeah,
a
somewhere
shady, damp area? Or?
somewhere a little protected. You know, like it could be in the woods or behind a shed or something like that.
Okay.
But I tasted, he gave me some of the ones he grew, my neighbor, and they were like some of the best I've ever eaten. They just were
Nice.
much more flavorful than grocery store mushrooms.
I had this kind of thing.
Oh, let's see, what's inside the bucket?
Yeah, but they grow out the holes.
But what's filling the bucket?
It's kind of like that.
Oh, I see. I see some sort of medium.
Yeah, it's kind of
Cool.
like...
Did you get mushrooms out of it?
Oh, yeah, a lot.
Cool.
Yeah.
I might need to come ping you later. I want more details.
Yeah.
Sounds like a fun experiment.
It's really cool. Well, I'll give you more details offline. The viewers probably don't want to hear about it.
Our listeners might be thinking we're talking about another kind of mushroom, so
Yeah, right.
these are the kind we eat and feed our children.
Yes. So that they can have amazing experiences.
My children hate mushrooms, by the way.
It's so much easier to deal with.
Yeah, kids don't love mushrooms because because they get them and they're kind of slimy. I don't know. It's actually fascinating to watch children's tastes evolve over time.
Yeah.
Okay, so a little more question about the landers. How is that data collected? Is there a buoy that has an antenna on it? Such on and so forth. So they are battery powered. So they got their power on board, and they have compute power on board and storage so that they can store the data that's collected. So that there is a float in a line that ascends up from the lander with sensors along that line, but it doesn't come anywhere near the sea surface. And as a result, you cannot retrieve the data unless you are nearby and could interrogate it acoustically or nearby and speak to it optically. But for the most part, that's going to be data stored on board, and then you'll only see it once you recover the instrument. So that, the fact that on those landers the data is collected on board, it's powered on board, there's this kind of leap of faith you have to make that this thing is working. Kind of how deep sea science is, you have to kind of take some risks sometimes, but probably got a bunch of fail safes in there to make sure that if one thing goes wrong, it can still collect data. Someone online is asking, what's the best meal that has been cooked so far? This is definitely a food-based watch.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the peanut butter chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah, they were amazing.
That was really good. And before that, there was a pear cake. That was also awesome.
Missed out on that.
I think I missed that too.
Yeah. We even miss all the ice cream on Sundays as
Yeah,
well,
I
because
know.
it was
Yeah.
a 12-hour shift.
We're all asleep.
I really enjoyed Kahena's birthday cake.
Yeah, so when someone has a
That
birthday
was
out here, we
so
definitely
good.
celebrate it if
Oh, that
it's
was
someone
so
that we
good.
like. And we had a birthday cake.
Oh, that means we're going to have cake tomorrow.
Why? Whose birthday?
My birthday. No, I'm
Shut
kidding.
Oh.
Gotcha.
It was like
Sneaky as.
had was it soaked in like coconut milk or something?
The cake, the birthday cake?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
It was so
man.
good.
And it was
so
decorated
good.
really beautifully.
Yeah.
What is this little
Wanna look at
blob?
this?
Yeah.
All
I've
right.
been driving along without stopping for a while.
You want to look at that? Oh, yeah, there you go. I didn't even see that.
Pretty sure it's nothing we haven't seen, but
Hyalonema.
but a young one. Yeah.
Double it. Double it.
Just for you all.
Double it. Cool.
Double it again.
Quadruple it.
Quadruple.
I have to switch to HD.
Oh yeah, let's see that that optical zoom.
It would take me about 10 minutes.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. Half it. Half it.
Coming out. Oop, a little too far.
Nice. Welcome back, Ant.
Thank you.
Humblest
Good to be
man.
back. Oh no, I'm not that humble.
How was your interaction?
Yeah, it was
Yeah,
good.
I can
Who were you
spell
talking
you
to?
whenever. I just wanted you to try that different arrangement.
It doesn't have to be specific. Kids, adults.
Oh, high schoolers.
High
It was
schoolers.
two classes of marine biology students
Nice.
and a marine biology club.
Cool.
Very cool. Very curious.
What age?
High school age.
Still really close into it.
16 to 18.
What's that,
Oh,
Dave?
nice.
16 to 18.
Push out? All right.
Yeah, and they're actually tuned in to our live just before the call, which is cool. Yeah, I encourage them to join in the conversation. Very,
That's
very
good.
cool.
Someone asked, what was that thing that had what looked to be a crab on it? That was a sponge, a certain type of sponge called Hyalonema, and on it was a little crustacean that we've seen on lots of these sponges. A lot of them like to get up off the seafloor, maybe eat the biofilm that might be forming on the sponge stalk. So, yep, that's what that was.
I wonder if it's like a symbiotic relationship between the two. If the sponge offers something for the crustacean.
And the crustacean does some cleaning.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be.
Some maintenance, mows the lawns.
Maintenance. It's giving predator vibes.
Someone asked, can we make population estimates based upon your seabed surveys? We certainly can, but I think we're going to be short of observations to make really statistically significant or verifiable kind of estimates.
What's that on the right there?
But we will
Dark angular thing? Is it a shark tooth?
Oh, here's the density of organisms,
That
or
thing?
the diversity of organisms
Center screen
per
below the lasers?
kilometer.
Yeah.
There's a
Have
comment
look,
here
just 1 second.
that doesn't want us to tell anyone that this is their favorite watch, so I won't tell anyone.
We'll be sure to keep that secret.
Oh. We'll definitely get the humblest
Humblest
watch award by not telling anybody.
Humblest watch in the
Okay,
Cook Islands.
Oh, that's a manganese encrusted sponge.
Wow.
A sponge or is it a shark tooth?
I don't think it's a shark.
That's-
It's too hollow to be a
Oh,
shark
no,
tooth.
yeah, you might be. Oh, yeah, actually.
How about that little mini teeny sponge?
Yeah, that's cool.
It's a little up and coming.
You got a couple minutes if you want
Oh,
to look at it.
double it.
And I don't think we have a dust cloud, so take advantage.
Wow. What's that?
Yeah, what is that?
I'll try to rock it
What's
right
that?
for you. Aaron.
Pokemon.
Stand by. Try not to mess it up.
Nice focusing.
Trying.
Don't 100% know what that is. Is it growing on the end of that stalk, or did it attach itself to the end of that stalk?
I think it's growing.
Okay. It's a sponge of some sort, but
Yeah.
That thing is really small.
yeah. All right, I'm happy.
Okay, coming out.
Good. Pilot's good.
Hi, happy.
I'm
I'm
ant.
ant.
Yep. I could see that you were working over whether you wanted to say that one out loud, and I appreciate the deliberations.
Hey, TJ, by
Yeah.
any chance, are you wearing coconut oil?
Am I wearing what?
Coconut oil?
Is
Yes.
that a question from the viewer?
No,
Oh,
from,
okay.
from, from me.
Okay.
Yes, I sure am, ants.
I can smell it.
Thank you.
Nice.
Reminds me of
Paparo.
home. Is it akaripi?
Mhm.
The best.
All the way from
Moke.
Akatokamanawa.
Yeah.
All
You
the way
guys
from
should
where?
grab yourself a bottle of coconut oil. It is the best thing. It fixes everything. Cuts, bruises, good for your hair. Even fixes
Good for your
marriages.
skin.
Where do you get it?
The market.
At the market.
When's the market open?
Thursdays and Saturdays and Sunday mornings, right?
Nice.
I knew that
Spot
before I arrived here.
on.
I'm gonna have to take
Aaron
a-
is on.
It's where you can also get the
Maroro.
Maroro.
ethanol.
Etanor.
All right.
I gotta hit it Thursday morning because I'm leaving Thursday afternoon.
Oh, we've got a suggestion here. It's a
Oh, yeah.
Cladorhizidae. Cladorhizidae.
Clad,
Cladorhizidae.
Nice.
Clad. Oh my goodness, what did I just do?
Oh,
Oh, never mind.
minimize that. Don't do anything with that window.
Clad. Do.
Oh, wait, what one was it?
Door?
Oh, the carnivorous sponge.
Cladorhizidae.
There's a sponge.
What's the name of this coconut
And then
oil I gotta
can you
get?
minimize that window that had a
Which?
script running? It's behind the. Oh, you already did? Okay, good. Yeah.
See, even Lisa agrees.
This.
Agreed.
Yes.
Coconut oil is the shiz.
Yes, thank you, Lisa.
What's the name of the coconut oil again?
Akari.
How you spell that?
A-K-A-R-I.
Oh, I would have guessed that. It's like Atari, but with a K.
And then space. P-I.
Fish.
Akaripi.
Akaripi. And where's it from?
The ones that we're normally seeing
I can
at the
have
market
it.
are from the small island of Akatokamanabo.
Yep.
Mauke. M-A-U-K-E.
M-A-U-K-E.
Okay.
You get a lot of the mamas making those. It's a lot of work.
Ooh, fish.
Indeed. Yes.
Oh, check this one out.
Yeah, I think so. Go in.
Get in there.
In there like swimwear.
Ooh, 2 lyras from the Cook Islands. Kia orana. Oh, nice.
Oh, I think
Sorry,
they're...
Ed,
It's
can
a
you zoom in
Halosaur?
there, buddy?
Yeah, coming in.
Head tight. Sorry, I wasn't on SPO.
I think it's a Halosaur, right?
Halosaur.
Sounds good, Digimon.
It's a small one.
Halosaur.
What page is that on?
It's in the fish guide. It's a
Fish
diff-
guide. Where are ya?
Look how still its head is.
Yeah, That's really cute.
It's like holding a chicken.
It's very peaceful.
Hold Tim.
Okay, mate, that's you level with me now.
Okay.
All right. We can drop off of
Let
it.
it go off screen and we'll go away from that.
Hey, what the?
All right, Ed.
I
Oh,
don't
is that
even
the
have
old
that
fish
one.
guide? Yeah, that's the old fish guide.
That's not very. Leave
Is
it
it a
there,
halosaur?
ants. Leave what you're looking at right there.
Is it a halosaur though?
Yeah, I just don't think it's that
Lasers
particular
on.
species. But its head shape looked like a halosaur.
Oh, maybe this one. Maybe like an Aldrovandia.
Where is that fish guide?
If you go to the file in the top left, that file above
No,
Chrome,
we've got two people suggesting that it's a cusk.
Right.
Both
and
from
then
Lisa and Val.
I'm gonna go off SPL.
Val Brown. I don't know. It had a very kind of snake-like snout.
Okay, I need to go back to another, what do you call?
Interaction.
Yeah.
All right, see you soon.
I'm going to use a text acronym, BURB.
All right, well, now Val is making me question. Oh, that's not the right letters.
Hey guys, quick question. How old are middle schoolers, roughly?
13, 12,
Okay,
Yeah.
just so I can code switch. Okay,
maybe
thank
14. The oldest ones are 14.
It's like year 6, 7, 8.
you. Aha, all right.
My middle school started in 5th grade.
It's like year tilde 6, 7, 8.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, mahalo, thank you.
Didn't know how to.
No, it could have been a cusk eel. Halosaurs have a triangle-shaped fin halfway down their backs instead of a one solid
You think it was a
one.
cusk eel?
Yeah.
Shucks. All right.
Leucochorus.
Do you wanna add a little
Nope.
correction to that halosaur?
Is it the Leucochorus?
Yeah.
Maybe a question mark next to it.
Cuskill. Lou? Chorus. Nice. Well done, team.
Time for the 11th hour stretch up in the first row.
Getting to some of it in the back row here. Oof. A lot of sitting.
And then when you get off watch and go back to your stateroom, it's back into the packing crate with you because those beds are so small. I don't even know what size those beds are. Is that a twin? Is that what it?
The beds?
Yeah.
No.
Are they singles? Is that
No,
what
they're ship bed size. they don't even make sheets that fit them. So. Ooh, what's that?
Which one?
The
Little
curlicue?
curlicue thing
Where?
there on the right above
Bottom
it.
right
yeah.
frame, almost to frame edge.
It's a stalk.
There you go.
The ship like mirrored the movement of the ROV on that stop. It felt thrown forward a bit.
Kind of like those underlights giving you that depth at the bottom of the frame.
Dramatic.
There we go. Go ahead, Ed.
All right.
Hold on 1 second.
Looks like a black coral down
There
at the
you
bottom.
go.
No, just a bunch of funky.
It's a susicle.
Susicle, yeah.
Oh, you
All
know,
right.
that looks like the string of pearls down at the bottom.
What is this?
Susicle
Unidentified
ladies.
sponge.
Unidentified sponge.
Stalk? What, you think that's a whole sponge?
I do.
Yeah.
All right, on the move. Thanks, Ed.
Garage.
No worries.
Do we have any folks in the chat?
Someone asked, are those all nodules? And the answer is yes. This whole dive we've seen a continuous surface of nodules. Sometimes very regular in size, sometimes some different sizes. And if you're looking at the video, you'll see that the surface has different colors. Sometimes it's a little browner, sometimes it's a little darker. Most of that is from the feeding tracks of holothurians of different types that are sucking up the sediment, filtering out the good bits, and then dropping out the parts they don't need.
Adam, is our knowledge of these nodules, like on a decadal scale or century scale, recent?
The fact that they're there?
Yeah, the fact that they
Yeah.
are there and what they consist of. And
Yeah, they've been known about for many decades, and there's been different times in the past where they've been viewed as a resource that might be interesting to use. So like the Glomar Challenger, which was the boat.
Project Azorian.
Yeah, the boat that
Howard Hughes.
Yeah.
What was it? Howard Hughes, yeah.
yeah,
Funded this expedition that was described as looking at seafloor nodules as a mineral resource, but ultimately was
that was a cover, right?
as a cover to go recover a lost
Soviet sub.
sub. And I think the funniest thing that's persisted from that is that people got wind of this and were asking questions, and it was when the phrase "we can neither confirm nor deny" was created.
Oh, really? Is that
and
right?
so
Wow.
getting that response from the government is called getting Glomarred.
Huh.
Huh.
And thanks to Radiolab on NPR
yeah.
for telling me that story.
There you go.
Nice.
Those are so awesome, yeah.
That would be a good question for our next watch. Favorite podcast.
Oh, nice.
Right?
Keep that one.
I think that one and favorite font.
Favorite font, yes.
Keep those in the stock.
In the last watch, we're just gonna bust out. It'll be all questions all the time.
I have to look. I wonder if I have it here.
Johan, would you mind zooming out a little bit on the high pack just so I can see where we are? Oh. Hey, Johan, can you hear me?
Somebody wake up, Nav.
Yeah, what's going on?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just asking if you could zoom out a little bit on high pack so I could see where we are relative to these depressions.
Totally.
And maybe might as well zoom on this thing while we're at it. Just multitasking.
Zoom
Like
in
last
and zoom
minute,
out.
why don't you?
Crinoid.
Right. Right.
Okay.
Okay, so we're kind of descending into this little depression. Those are 10-meter contours?
Those are 10-meter contours, yeah.
So it's
Okay, Ed.
50
Coming in.
meters deep. Interesting.
Holding there.
Yep.
Okay,
further.
stalked crinoid.
Coming around.
Number 385 in this series.
Oh, that's very pretty.
Okay, coming around some more.
Okay, I think we're good on this.
All right, on the move.
Coming out.
Just got a question. Can we confirm that our current expedition is not looking for a Russian submarine? Well, of course we can neither confirm nor deny. But, no, we're not looking for a Russian submarine.
That's exactly what you would say if you were.
As we broadcast to the world.
Right, yeah, stream it live.
Oh, we just happened to find this Russian submarine.
Yeah.
Here's our GPS coordinates.
There's another crinoid.
Yep.
Nice. I think it's a fish.
Fish, yeah.
Only little. Okay, Ed.
Coming in.
Chorus.
Is it a cusk?
Cusk. You can get this right so Val doesn't chastise me on the chat.
Right. You can
Cusky.
call it an urchin.
Swimming urchin.
Right inside the light.
Yep.
Stop there, because he's going to go
One of our viewers said
sushi.
we're not looking for a Russian sub, but we are looking for their sanity. That's why I've been watching for so long, figuring one day it'll pop up.
Not that this has anything to do with watching our live streams, but in the online gaming community, if you think somebody's been playing for too long, the saying is, touch grass.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's a saying I've heard in many contexts.
Yeah,
And we're saying touch nodules.
yes.
Kevin Conrad wrote in that nodules were first sampled on the Challenger expedition in the mid-1870s.
Ooh.
The Challenger expedition was pretty amazing. It was the first kind of systematic scientific study of the oceans.
Well,
Well,
it was the first, like,
modern
European scientific study of the ocean.
Yeah, using modern scientific tools and that kind of thing.
But there's been scientific studies of the ocean for a long, long time, especially in Polynesia, but just science on their own terms.
I guess it is the definition of science, matters for what you would put in that category. But if it's simply asking a question and or making observations, then lots of stuff qualifies.
Exactly. I think science is just based within a culture. So like the methods used to conduct science are different in different places.
You don't think there is a underlying scientific method?
I think there's an underlying aim to understand maybe like complex systems,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't think that all of the methods are the same. Like for example, the Marshallese stick charts and the knowledge of currents and mapping out currents and stars and understanding how to navigate across the Pacific required like a very careful, attentive study of the conditions of the ocean. But the ways that that was done were really different than the ways that European explorers went about trying to understand the stars to navigate and the seas and the swells and all of that. Even if the aim was to understand how those systems work and to navigate and to move through them, I think like the methods to do so were quite different.
Yeah, I guess I see a commonality though in collecting observations and organizing them. And maybe that's just, a level below of like what you use to do that. But I do think that science is kind of, there's something the same about it everywhere, right? You have something you don't understand, and in order to understand it, you make observations, you make predictions, you test them, and end up with a better understanding of it. But maybe that, I don't know, I'm off the cuff, so maybe
I think that that's true, but I would argue that maybe the bigger difference between some of those scientific methods is whether you view what you're trying to understand as an object to be studied or something more in relation. I think like the European scientific method historically, less so today. I think there's been a lot of kind of pushback from speaking in third person in contemporary science papers, but there was a pretty significant aim to remove oneself from the study of science, whereas other forms of observational knowledge production used embodied or personal and ways of directly connecting to the thing that you were studying.
We'll be right back after this break. This is Fresh Air.
We're going to touch grass now.
So someone really touching grass in a significant way. Hello from California. My cat and I are watching y'all from a tent in the Sierra Nevada.
Oh, wow.
No way. Cool.
So
Hello.
just so you know, we ran into a sea cucumber about the size of your cat. So imagine stroking a gelatinous deep sea organism.
Oh, man. Also want to say hi to our buddy Ashton, who's watching us now from Big Island, I assume.
Woo-woo.
Aloha.
Hey.
Hey,
Wants me to
send
make
us some
sure to-
pictures of what's happening up at Kilauea. Looks pretty amazing.
He's at home playing with the dog. Wants to say hi to May, Amanda, Adam, and everyone else.
Aw.
Great
Hi,
shipmate.
Ashton.
Great dude.
Ashton took me on a tour of the of when the crater filled up with that kind of chemically pool after the 2018 eruption.
Oh, the water that got super acidic and
Yeah, like the rainwater filled in, it got
Yeah.
really like green, acidic-y.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
He posted a picture during a major eruption. He's like in some, I don't know, fireproof suit, something, climbing into a helicopter. And he's like, off to work.
Oh, I wonder if David Okita still flies the helicopters out there.
That's pretty cool.
Someone wrote in, I like this.
What was
Science
that?
is just structured curiosity, no? That's kind of right. Definitely some truth in that.
It's nice. I like the interest that our viewers have in returning from touching grass back to back to our science discourse.
I wonder if you, for a sociological study, if we get deep and philosophical at 3.5 hours into every watch.
Oh, right.
We've
Right.
gone within ourselves. To
28
find our
minutes in, we enter
deeper
the
meaning.
food cycle.
Yes.
I feel like I could go into either one of those conversation categories at any time. Food
One
or
time, Adam,
philosophy.
you stepped out, and May and I really got deep on what was
a
it?
couple dives
Yeah.
ago. Yeah. I try to filter myself a bit.
I'm not familiar with that concept.
Why don't we add favorite philosopher to our list of questions?
Oh, I've got
I
some
think
good
we're
ones.
having a little bit of a...
I think my favorite
Cross
quote
that
is
thing.
from Abraham Lincoln, and it says, "Don't believe everything you read on the internet." Fish, top right.
Oh yeah, little one.
Ooh, nice. Good spot. I ended up with time to kill in my undergraduate studies in order to kind of complete out my major courses. So I had a co-op where I was working every other semester and ended up loading up on a bunch of philosophy courses, enough to get a minor.
Me
Kind of
too.
sparked an interest in that.
I did the same.
Oh.
So we got a cool, it's tough, man. We got a cool sponge and a fish.
Sponge
Yes.
fish.
I
2
guess
for
we go
1.
fish. I can kind
Yeah.
of get the sponge from here.
I don't think the sponge is gone anywhere.
I think
Oh.
the sponge was...
All right. Yep.
There's also a pile of something over there on the right.
Boy, that look of disappointment.
Whoa.
Has anyone else ever read the book, The Pout Pout Fish?
The what?
Pout Pout Fish? It's a kid's book. One of my son's
Oh.
favorites when he was little.
That's cute. I don't know it.
Kind of reminds me of the Pout Pout Fish. Don't know why.
There's a really cool kids geology book called Old as Dirt. Do you know that one?
I think I've come across that one, yeah.
Mike Perfit, I think, co-authored it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And it's about the sun.
What?
and everything else. But
I think
And
the
that got
sponge
it.
was a
Nice work.
Holothurian.
The sponge was what, Adam?
Holothurian.
Is that another fish? Oh, holothurian, okay.
Sponge, alas. Yes.
nice.
Another fish
There's a
straight ahead,
crinoid, holothurian.
left of center. But doing, I don't know if it's
Shrimp,
predation
shrimp,
or what
or
it's
shrimp
doing,
pod.
but swimming in spirals.
Oh, cool. Oh, it is.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
yeah.
What?
What is this behavior?
Oh, maybe it's a worm.
It's a worm, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's like I'm not getting anywhere. I'm going to
Go
go this
ahead, Zip.
is
direction.
that a worm or a holothurian?
It's a worm.
It's a worm? I
Holothurian.
can't, oh.
Oh.
Oh, it's a baby Holothurian.
Little one.
Oh, they're more flexible when they're young. They can
Aw.
touch their toes.
They're so playful.
Oh,
It's
he's
so
not
playful.
Yeah.
Overloaded on sand, eh?
Can you ditch the lasers? That's kind of a cool video.
Aw.
That's some of the good stuff.
It's really cute.
Yeah.
Whee! Other direction.
He's right in front of me now.
Yeah.
I don't want to back up because I'll just chew him up.
No.
All right, let him pass under.
That was cute.
That was great.
I like that.
So the
Okay, I'd come wide
fish
again.
was a
Thank you.
Bassositis cusk.
Bassositis.
And
Um,
someone noted to May that the fish doesn't like the Western scientific method.
A Bassositis cuss.
Agreed.
That was a cool little holothurian. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Curling behavior is really common in deep sea, especially as a defensive posture. Midwater eel pouts and midwater snailfishes do this. Never seen a holothurian do it. That's from Astrid. Thanks, Astrid.
You guys want to have a look at this?
Yes. We're talking about that thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
A nice
These are up.
sponge.
Yeah, I'm getting
Where the sponge is at.
prepared to identify.
Prepare yourselves.
Alrighty, Ed. You're good to go, mate.
Rosalidae?
No.
Oh,
there's
there's a
that same associated.
little guy in it.
I think those little mushrooms were maybe xenos.
Oh, interesting. So I think this is a Euplectellid
Nice.
of some variety.
Is that a carnivorous sponge on the side too?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
time
right.
to go. We're falling behind.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, what is that fascinating thing behind it there? That's so interesting. So spherical and white.
Indeed. Amanda sent this. Doesn't that kind of look like the little mushrooms?
I thought they looked flat-topped, but maybe that was
But
just
maybe
the
they come,
picture.
she said they come in a variety of shapes.
Oh, okay.
John was calling them xenophotophores too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Xenophotophores, yeah. Okay.
Nice. I love when we see a holothurian at the end of a track. That's cool.
You want to zoom on him or keep moving?
No, we can keep moving.
Okay, man.
It's a spiky one.
All right, I'm back.
Two fish.
One fish, two fish.
Red fish, blue fish.
I thought it was blue fish, red fish. Maybe you're right.
That's
Any Theodore Geisel fans out there?
Indeed.
oh my gosh. I kind of want to see them meet.
He's got strong ties to San Diego.
We're spoiling the date.
They're probably like, oh my gosh, another fish. This is so amazing. And then a giant robot comes up behind them.
Hold still. They can only see you if you move.
This is Jurassic Park for this fish. They sense your movement. Lucacorus.
Okay, quick zoom in.
Nice. It's a great shot.
Oh yeah, I like the dark background.
I don't have a lot of
Wow.
confidence in that focus, though.
Dramatic.
Double it.
No, don't. I'll just
Yeah.
go diving into him.
Oh no.
Ugh.
Coming out.
Okay, on the move.
Good boy.
All right. TJ, did you want to start doing a little
Some
summary of the watch?
sure thing.
Nice.
Shrimp. Yeah. You want to zoom in?
Oh, sure. Let's
See what
do
we
that.
get. He's going to be a bit fast.
Oof,
Yep, bye-bye.
Adios.
tough to keep up with that one. Well, here we are. Another watch at the books. Really appreciate everyone.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Didn't quite make it to waypoint 4.
Let's do it again. You guys want to meet up in like 8 hours?
Let's do it.
Let me check
Sounds
my
good.
schedule.
And then maybe we could just do it again.
Oh, sure, if we have fun on that
But
one.
maybe that time we'll just do it for like 2 hours.
I wonder if that baby holothurian was like trying to get to the seafloor but hadn't figured out how to do it yet.
Just too wiggly.
Yeah.
I'd like to see a really tiny holothurian, like a really little one.
I feel like we just did. How that one wasn't like, looked
But
like it
even
was like
smaller.
even smaller?
Yeah. I wonder how fast they grow.
We'd go viral with some cute baby holothurian videos.
Yeah, that'd be so cute. It's like a little cornichon.
Oh.
What's a group of holothurians called?
A pickle.
That is amazing.
It truly
Yeah.
is. I think it was actually like proven to us. I
Yeah,
was
it's a
very
pickle.
skeptical of that. Doesn't make any sense. Someone asked how long this dive will be. We're expecting
The whole time.
the whole time. We're planning a 36-hour dive. That would, oh boy, I can't even tell you when we started.
13 hours, 29 minutes ago.
All right, so you're getting another 20 hours of this. And someone asked, is this the last dive of the expedition? And the
No.
answer is no. We have at least one more dive planned after this.
We still have a little bit of time in pocket too, right?
Yeah, that's right. I think the fact that this dive went in on time or thereabouts was gave us a lot of wiggle room.
Hey, Tim. Just going to be off SPL for a bit, guys, while we hand over.
Hi. So watch change for the pilots now.
Watch change underway. Did we have a contagious yawn just
Yep.
then? I think I just even kind of heard one and it made me go.
Someone else, is this a live dive? Is this the last dive of the expedition? No, this is not.
Tonga has not been listening to me.
At all. At all.
Adam already answered that.
And somebody else is asking,
Oh,
is this the last dive of the expedition?
Wait, I just got a question.
I'm so sorry. I was so busy typing.
No, that's fair. In the zone.
No, this is not the last dive. We have, how many more dives we have?
And sorry to interrupt you,
Two
Tonga,
more.
but I wanted to mention, no, this is not the last dive.
This is?
Ha ha ha, Adam.
All right, so this is not the last dive.
What? Oh,
This is the end of
sorry,
our
the
life?
question just came in. Is this the last dive of the expedition?
All right,
Please,
we gotta
please
get out of
ask,
this van.
ask the question
Right.
again so I can redeem myself.
What are you hoping to see on this dive?
How deep will we go?
Well, it is the last dive.
When do you
so-
expect to reach the seafloor?
Yay!
Good watch, good watch.
Great watch, guys. Great watch.
Tonga.
It don't know it.
Tonga.
It don't know it.
Whoa. May Ashton's saying that you made him an espresso in the backcountry and says it's still the best coffee he's ever had.
Whoa.
Wow.
True.
Wow.
I did make it. I had a hand grinder and a mini presso.
Oh,
That was before I had my nano presso.
Nanopresso.
So it's even better now.
it's smaller than the mini?
Does it make less?
It has a higher pressure
Ah,
But it
and
makes
it's
the
just
same
a better like piston.
I see.
Just works a bit better.
Thanks,
So
Dave.
yeah.
Thanks, Dave. Peace out.
I'm just looking back at the comments. People bringing up the fast food stuff still.
Yeah, still
What?
talking fast food.
Because I think it was
Oh
Ed
yeah.
that said, did you just call KFC Dirty Bird?
hey, Ant, are there any questions coming in from the audience?
Oh my god.
Is there any about whether this is the last dive of the expedition?
Oh yeah, is
It
this
would
the
have been
last
so
dive,
great
Ed?
Ant,
if
it's
he
a trap,
sat down
don't
and
say
read
it.
that.
I was waiting for him to do that.
So you guys already had that discussion then, I
I was gonna
suppose?
say,
Killed.
Ed, why don't you jump onto the lake
Someone wrote
train?
in, I'm really hoping that this isn't the last dive. Thank you for playing along with us.
Yeah,
We're a
it's not the
little
last dive.
punchy after 3 hours and 54 minutes.
We got lots more nonillions of nodules to look at. That's 10 to the 30th.
I don't know how many ultra mega centimeters we're going to cover, but
No,
Gigameters. Hey, mate. Wow. To all our friends and family that are joining us online, we are now going to commence the exchange, the handover to the 12 to 4 watch.
Whoop whoop.
I'm so sorry that we do have to leave. I know we're your favorite. The comment said so. Oh, she's not here to hear me say that.
Put it in
aren't
the
you
chat.
supposed
Put it
to
in the
be
chat.
Put it in
the
the
most
chat.
humble man?
Back in 2021, okay?
Right.
That was 4 years ago.
He's not humble anymore.
Things have changed.
Unhumbleized.
Ant nominated himself
He's humbled.
Humbled.
the most humble.
Past tense.
maybe it means something different in the Cook Islands. Does humble mean
Yeah,
something different?
I think
And
so.
it's the humblest man in the... Oh, wait, we're still on the Cook
You're
Islands.
getting somewhere, Adam.
Did you lose him again?
Oh, look. We even got a... This has been amazing. I love you all. No, we love you all. Thank you. Yeah.
And then hi to, who's our chief engineer and KMTR that said hello.
Okay, team. Love you and leave you. Take care. Look after yourselves. Drink water. Stay hydrated.
Hey,
Ciao
Marley
for now.
Parker was speaking at Embari yesterday. Jack Baker, hello and thank you.
Alrighty, guys. TJ out. Matewa. Have a
Matiwa.
great next watch. Over and out to Sandy.
How do I... Hold up.
Watch change of video. Good luck.
I think we need to come
Yep.
down. I'll get back out in front there.
Hey Tim, how you going? Any chance of that one?
Oh, yeah. Go, you can go for zoom there. If you're ready. I think we might just be still handing over.
Oh yeah, if we run out of time, it's no drama.
Let's try and get a little bit out ahead so buy us some time to stop.
I seem to have lost the...
Hello, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. It is a great morning, not just a good morning.
Looks like we settled. Shall we go for this one, please?
You bet.
We try and go for the one on the right afterwards, please.
Okay. Can we go for zoom in that one? Oh.
Yeah, I think we've got that one. Thank you.
Nice.
Yep.
It's a little crinoid.
Yeah. We can pan out and go to the one to the right, or zoom out and go to the one on the right. Oh, is there two things there? I was
That
thinking about
looks
that one.
like
Oh, it's
a,
a tooth, yeah. That one there's just a tooth.
that sponge there looks carnivorous.
You can ignore
Yeah.
those dashed lines, pilot. Just the yellow ones are what we want to photograph. So these ones here.
Okay.
You good with that, Sandy?
Yeah.
Yep, we're good. Thank you.
Okay.
Maybe we'll play on to the next one.
Yeah, I'm just going to get back out in front here again.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
No worries, Tim. Do your thing.
Should we go for that one, Sandy?
Yeah,
The
let's
middle
fly
or
right
on the
at
left in the gloom?
Let's go to the middle.
Middle, please, Tim.
Okay.
Oh yeah, another crinoid. We good with that?
Let's get a little bit closer.
Okay, go for zoom there.
Nice. Wonderful. Okay, thank you.
So let's just head over this way and go for the second one. I think it's that. Oh, sorry, it's that one there. And I think it's a holothurian, hey? Over here.
Looks a bit like another stalked crinoid right up front.
Let me know when you're good with that.
Yeah.
We're good? Okay, let's just check this critter out. There's lots of them, eh? There's another one on the right-hand side as well.
Oh, I might be a little too close at him. Zoom down. Do you want to zoom there?
Oh, let's zoom up.
Yeah, what is
Tilt
that?
up.
Tilt up
No.
just a tad.
Okay.
Yeah, that little thing. It looks like an urchin.
Okay,
Okay.
that was a holothurian, I think, in the bottom there.
Okay. Thanks, Tim.
We have our Swedish nightfish. Nightfish?
Yes, Swedish nightfish.
Swedish nightfish. Wow, I want a Swedish fish. Apparently I'm having a candy tooth right now.
I love Swedish fish. We love our Swedish night watch too, though. How's it going?
Nightfish is better. But hey, we're happy to be settling in as well, and also stoked that you think we're the best watch, because we are. Not that it's a competition, of course.
Oh, the best shift.
I don't understand why there'd be any thinking involved. We just are. Yeah.
Well,
Right,
clearly,
it's
clearly my
fact.
friend
There's
in
a couple
Sweden
there, I
knows.
think. You'd be so kind to.
Wow, everything feels so normal again now that John has his pointer back.
I know.
I feel complete now.
It
Now
was so strange.
I feel like a real scientist because I have my little pointer.
I felt really lost on the 12 to 4, or the midnight to 4 a.m.
Zoom in there and I'll creep closer.
I was standing and pointing. For some reason, the ROV pilot couldn't see where I was
Oh,
pointing
look at
because I'm
that.
standing behind him.
Matt had to come in with the stick of pointing.
Oh, that's interesting.
Look
What's
at that holothurian. Looks kind of like a snake.
That's a oh, I see. It's the. Yeah, if we could get a good zoom on that one, please.
Huh.
Just,
Wow.
Oh, whoops. It's very sensitive when we're zoomed out.
No
There we go.
worries.
Okay, go ahead.
It looks a little wormy.
Yeah, has that interesting, like, tapered tail.
Yeah.
And go wide, please.
Thank you.
okay.
It is a bittersweet moment. The stick of pointing has been returned to its emergency position
No.
rather than immediately at the ready.
Oh, that's terrible news.
No, that's good news. It means
About
we're back
time?
to normal.
A quick zoom.
I know, but I kind of like the stick of pointing.
Zoom on the fly there, if you can.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
One of
We
those
know
little
ones.
Abyssopathes.
Thank you.
I think that's what they're called. Where is that little? There you go.
Acorn worm. Did you see that?
Oh,
Ah, that makes sense. It had a weird little head, didn't it?
There's a huge fly flying around me. I'm going to go crazy.
That fly has been in this control
know.
They
head
are
for like 5 days.
It's really big and it keeps flying around me.
Oh my gosh.
whoever's bringing cookies in, I think it's surviving on the crumbs.
No,
think it's
Jana said she
feeding on
cleaned them
our-
all up. She said she cleaned every crumb up.
Oh, my verticals are taking me up off the seabed here.
No worries.
I'll just get situated again.
Look at that little creature.
You want to zoom on it? It might be a bit late now. I think it was a sponge.
Look, it's flat.
Yeah. Can we get a quick one on that, please?
Oh, look at that little star. Is it on a stalk?
It is. I think, oh, it's just a crinoid, isn't it?
Just a crinoid.
Well, sorry. I thought it was something different. Hey, it's an amazing crinoid, like the last 10 that we've seen. They seem very, very popular here.
Yeah,
I've
they
never
really
seen
like
so
these
many.
nodules. Good substrate for them.
Just fighting. I think I've lost connection to one vertical motor controller here.
Oh no.
Yeah, I've got one vertical dropout here, so when I go down, I'll be moving to the right as well.
Okay.
You're doing great, Tim.
Well, it's a little up and down at the moment.
You want to do a fly over that likely holothurian?
Oh, I
over there.
wasn't looking at your screen there.
No problem. Just fly over.
Looks a
at
bit
this
like
stage
a
while
piece of sediment there.
you're learning to walk with one, learning to hop rather than walk.
Someone
No,
asked
that
if
one's
there's
a little too far out of our range there.
That's okay.
Okay, no problem.
Someone asked if there's a swatter of science. I feel like that'd be a good tool to have. But also I think having something to hit things in this control van would not be a very good idea.
Matt's got his stick.
Yeah, but it's not a swatter.
Need to put a hat on the end. Has that thruster been cutting in and out, or is it the first time it's dropped off?
It's been every couple hours. He said he's been getting kicked up a couple meters or down a couple meters, but yeah, it's one of them is up to about, it says 25 amps, and the other's at 0 amps when I'm trying to go down. So
is it that same port side one?
it is, yeah. So it might be a temperature related thing. But I'm thrusting down pretty hard now and still 2.5 meters off the seabed. There we go.
Is that holothurian, I think, isn't it? Can we
It's
get a
a
zoom on the
location.
fly, or too hard? No, we passed it. That's okay.
Still drifting up.
Yeah.
No worries. We get to enjoy a nice aerial view of the nodules.
Just try and dial in the hold here.
Now take your time, it's all right. We'd really like to try and finish the traverse, and we certainly really want to be as much on our game as possible around waypoint 5, waypoint 6. So this part of the traverse is less critical.
Tim, I can have the ship slow down just a hair.
Yeah, let's
So
have
you
them
can
slow
keep
down
up.
a little bit.
Calling in. It'll be a few minutes before you feel that. But
Sure. Thank you.
you'll feel it.
Any chance of a zoom on that floater?
Yep.
Okay, it's come back.
Yeah, I've got it back now. Okay, let's go for zoom.
I'll have to catch it. There it goes.
That little speck
Yeah.
went there?
Oh, I thought it would just have a go.
Let me get a little closer.
I think it's gone. That's all right. Yeah, no, it was swimming towards us, so
Oh, it was a midwater. Okay.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'll just get, now that I'm,
Some of these things I see, they're a bit small. I see them way too late.
Yeah, they're quite small, aren't they? It looks like that same sort of triangular
Yeah.
organism that we saw last
Yeah.
watch, but I'm still not sure what it is.
Mike was saying they saw just a ton of those little small things and the triangular ones as well
Yeah.
throughout his watch too, so.
Not sure. Anyone knows or has an idea on what those are? Let us know.
Quite a few teeth as well, eh? I'm seeing them every 20 or 30 meters. Okay. Want to go for that stalk on the right? Or the one dead ahead?
Yeah, let's go for the one dead ahead.
Yeah.
And maybe if we see another one of those small triangular things like the one we're just passing over now, we could get another quick zoom on it.
Let's do that on the way,
Yeah.
please.
oh, right there, center screen.
Yep.
Okay, go for zoom.
Correct.
Same shapes,
Yeah,
huh?
right? It's the same thing. Maybe we could get a doubler on that, perhaps, if it's in view.
Wait, it's called the doubler? I thought it was called the Doppler this whole time.
Oh.
No. Doppler's a little different.
Okay, go for a close-up.
Oh. Just up a little bit to the left. Yeah, perfect.
Ah,
I'll get it. That's it.
okay, and go wide.
Beautiful. Thank you. We've got a
Wonderful
real bit of
visual. Thank
structure
you
to
for that.
Yeah, they're very consistent.
It's very consistent. Almost the exact same thing.
That's a holothurian there.
Oh, I see that. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, a new.
Yeah, but this is the information one. So
Oh, green is
pilot,
information.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Pilot, don't follow the green, follow the yellow if you can. Oh, past those? Okay.
Never stop.
The fly just smacked me right in the face.
Same.
Like
it went straight.
to my forehead.
Yeah.
He's trying to say hello.
It went straight from me to you. I saw it happen. All right, since we're scooting along, Should we introduce the internet to the best watch ever?
I think it's only fair
It's only
that
fair.
they get to know us. You know.
No, we want to know them.
I don't know if we're the best watch ever. Maybe just the best watch to date in the history of watches.
That means the best watch ever.
Got to leave room for improvement for the next cruise.
That's true. We're also the most likely to
And we
improve watch.
we actually want to appear, at
We're
least to
also
some people,
most
slightly
likely to
humble.
be famous watch and let's see, best dressed watch. What are the other high school little?
Best hair.
You know, we could,
Yeah, it's true.
we could call ourselves Rolex or something because we're the best watch.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Dang.
That's pretty good.
Okay, John.
Let's see them beat that name.
I don't actually like Rolex as much, but anyway, who cares? That's who we are, eh?
Oh, that thing that I said I was unsure of. It was that little white triangular thing we just zoomed in on. It some parts of it look more translucent than others, but it sort of looked like a solid structure, like a little shell or something.
Yeah.
Not sure what that is, but
Got time for that one?
Oh.
Nope. Nope.
that looks like one of
sorry.
those little.
Little too close.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
okay. I think the previous watch got them. I think I saw Mike annotating one of those.
Yeah.
I think I was focused on the lower screen. I didn't see your pointer until it was too late.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Sometimes
you more heads up
you
next
only see
time.
them very late, you know, ourselves. You can't make them out in the distance. And
Oh yeah, we're also the hungriest watch of all time. Thank you for that.
It's true.
Humbled. We're also the Humboldt. We're very Humboldt. Yeah.
Very.
oh, I love it.
Very.
Thank you, everyone. Wow, I feel so
I
seen.
think someone's squidding with us.
Oh, you got to be squidding me. And we are also the Gwoats, the greatest watch of all time.
We also have the best dad jokes.
Mikhail, you want to start us off? Because you are the greatest photo capture of all time. Those
Yes, he is.
the
Oh my
photos.
gosh,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, I'm blown away by the images
It's
you and Aaron have
absolutely
collected.
insane.
Are we doing introductions?
Yeah, wait, and we should have a fun thing to say at the end.
Like?
Good question.
What are you most excited for when you get home?
Good question.
Okay, I'll start.